Hi, hello, my name is Sarah, and I had the wonderful opportunity to work with a large team of 7, including Elysa, Heather, David, Phil, Michelle, and Lois. And we were tasked with trying to improve the incarceration rate around the mental health population here in Everett, in the community of Everett. And part of that was working with the Everett Police Department and their embedded social worker, help them administer and facilitate individuals coming in from the street and to help them through addiction recovery. Yeah, so the goal of utilizing PAARI is so individuals who may otherwise be incarcerated for petty crimes such as trespassing or small theft in order to support drug habits or other addictive habits is to, instead of putting them into jail, is to provide services of addiction and recovery. So that may be pulling them off the street, sending them to detox, and then sending them to a treatment program outside of the state of Washington. And so there's a number of resources needed in order to facilitate that type of program, including things like showers and haircuts, but also including things like ground transportation and airfare. We were able to secure ongoing commitment from local organizations in terms of providing haircuts and showers, providing hygiene kits, providing ground transportation, also including things like money for their flex fund so that they have cash available to purchase clothing and get food for individuals who may be going on flights to California or other areas where these treatment programs are located. But one of our biggest gets from our teammate Lois was free flights for our community members who'd be entering this program, so it's an awesome score. The PAARI program is a great idea, came out of Massachusetts, and having that program is great, but you have to be able to get the resources lined up, and the staffing level and the availability of the people to do that, they're out serving the community. So they're policing the streets, or if it's one of the social workers, they're trying to hook people up with services locally, whether it be housing or mental health services. So having the time to call around, to make these connections, to figure out where there'd be some synergies is really something that's not on their plate of their normal daily work. And so having a team like us come in and be able to do some of that groundwork and lay the foundation and provide some long-term connections for this program and community support was fun for us, but also really beneficial for the community at large, because even if we can just help one person come off the streets and get into treatment and have a better life, our work is totally purposeful and has a great value. And hopefully the connections that we've made for them in the community that are positive will be long lasting for them and things that they can maintain going forward in perpetuity, so that they are able to continue this program and provide these services for our community members who need them most. It was great once we sort of wrapped it up, realizing how much we did accomplish, and that you really can get 7 leaders who all have different leadership styles to work together for a common goal and have a fantastic outcome.